Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we got a little BMW 240i. We're gonna be doing some exhaust work on. Got a bunch of goodies from Vibrant. We're actually gonna be switching this thing over to a single exhaust. It's got a dual outlet right now. And we're just gonna switch it over to a single exit on the passenger side there. So we got some goodies from Vibrant. Got a little race muffler to keep it down, and then ultra quiet resonator. All 3.5, all stainless. So this is the factory exhaust. Single, splitting out to two. We're gonna be changing all that out. We're just gonna keep it all single all the way out to here. Let's get to it. So we got the downpipe finalized. This aftermarket downpipe that looks to be about 5-inch, and then a neck down to 3 actually. So what we did is we actually lobbed it off right in the middle of the transition, and then we added the 3.5 going all the way. We wanted to do a 3.5-inch exhaust all the way out, but we didn't want it to neck down to 3-inch and then back out to 3.5. So we just smooth transition from the turbo down to 3.5. That way it's 3.5 all the way through. Alright, well, that about wraps up the exhaust fab on this BMW. Everything came out really cool. So we got a downpipe going to 3.5. Got a race muffler in there. Ultra quiet resonator. Some V-band clamps, some stainless hangers. And just 3.5 all the way through. I think this thing sounds really good. Definitely opened it up. Sounds like a proper turbo car. That's what we're talking about. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you on the next one.